Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a launcher that fits your goals and installing it. This gives you full control over icons, gestures, and grid. Once installed, open launcher settings and pick a grid size and app drawer style so the layout won't shift later. Make sure to export or screenshot your current home setup as a backup. You'll also set basic gestures now, swipe up for the drawer, pinch for widgets, so foundational behavior is consistent as you proceed. Now you organize your apps and add widgets with intention. Group related apps into folders named clearly and pin the most used single apps to dock or edge spots. Once done, add 1 or 2 widgets, calendar, weather, or music, that provide glanceable info without clutter. Resize them to fit the grid. Make sure to adjust icon size and label visibility so the balance between readability and minimalism is right. If you use gestures, tie them to frequent tasks to streamline access. Finish by choosing a cohesive wallpaper and icon pack. Match accent colors to strengthen visual hierarchy and reduce cognitive load. Once polished, add automations or routines, night mode wallpapers, work profiles, or location-based pages, so the home screen adapts without your input. Test gestures and widgets to confirm responsiveness. If things go wrong, don't panic. Restore your exported layout or reset the launcher settings, then reapply key pressure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.